Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, have you ever had 99 problems in a flat golf cart tire? One of them. Here we go, man. You can see here we got some staples in there. I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to show you how to jack it up on the car. What I'm going to do is jack the tire up. Then I'm going to put this, I'm going to spin it down where I can get to it. Right there. And then I'm going to lock my brake down. That way my tire can't move as I push on it. You can go to Walmart, Home Depot, Advanced Auto Store, any one of them, Napa. And most of them have these black, these are your plugs here that come with your tool here to put it in, you plug in. The cleaner reaner.
Is it the one now with the gun?
Oh yeah, and Jason got down there. And this here, now most of the ones at the Walmart and stuff come with a black plug for bicycles. This is a bigger plug if you got a bigger hole, but you can see here, he needs a tire anyway. As you can see there, we got some holes here from the staples. So what I'm gonna do here, now make sure when you do this here now that you have air in your tire. Because if you don't have air in your tire, when you put the plug in, it's gonna be hard to plug. Come right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this here. Why the auto adjusting? So I'm gonna take this here, pull my plug out, put my plug in the middle, push it through. I mean, anybody can do this at home. Man, don't take it to your shop and they charge you $25. Buy your plug kit.
$25.
You can buy your at Harbor Freight. You can get Harbor Freight. You get a big plug tool kit, or if you don't, $40, or if
it comes with everything.
Or if you want to go to Walmart and just buy you a cheap $3 or $4 kit. Good brakes. Want to buy you a cheap kit? Get you one $4 or $5, and then you twist it and pull.
And then we got one more.
With a little air. So now what we're going to do, the air the tire back up. We're going to check the air pressure.
You don't have to be like this.
Take this here.
You got to fix it.
What, this here?
It's cheap.
You can see this is a cheaper Reaper. The better ones are the metal ones, man. With the solid metal.
Harbor Freight, $40, I promise you.
Yeah.
And it comes with replacements.
We'll take and pull this out. Push it in there. I got to dust these brakes. Like that. And I'm going to take it, twist it.
Not all the way.
Half turn, and pull out. Grab raised blade there, Travis. Now, you're supposed to drive this thing about 2 miles and cut it off. Don't cut it flush. You want it to wear in. Cut a little. You want maybe 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch sticking out. That way when you drive it, it pushes it flat.
Okay. Still leaking.
Yeah. Get some soap. But get a new blade. Brand new blade. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Just like that.
You don't hear it no more?
Nope. I'll get some soap and water. Just get a little bit of water and soap on a rag. And we're going to take it and leak it on. He needs damn tires. Yeah. And we're going to get a little bit of soap and water on a rag, and we're going to see if it leaks. What you see in here, man, you need this here. The cleaner, and then it's plug inserts. And then your plugs, man. We get these from Napa. You get a whole box of them for like $40 if you do this all the time. You get like 100 of them and see what it does. Ain't no bubbles coming from it.
That's getting the hell out of me. Hush.
No bubbles coming. There we go, man. All right, you seen it there, man. That's how you plug a tire. You can do it at your yard. You can do it at your house. You can do it in your ditch, wherever you got a flat tire at.
But you also can take the wheel off if you don't feel comfortable doing it like that.
Especially if it's a front tire. Well, yeah, I mean, you can take the tire off if you want to, but to me, it's just easy, less work to do it on the car. But each is his own, man.
Close that door.
Just put 20 pounds. Don't put more than that. We put 20 pounds in these, anywhere from 12 to 20 is a smoother ride, depending on how much air you want to put in it. But all right, man, y'all stay tuned, man. We'll post some more. Hey. But also, don't forget, man, if you ever need any OEM factory parts or you need to think about buying a battery, go to my homepage. I have a link there for you to purchase a battery. Enter my code GC Whisperer. The GCW is capitalized. You get $25 off of your set of batteries, and you can get factory parts from another link. Thank y'all, man. Hey, hey, hey.